Have you ever been in a group discussion with your best friend and you both looked at each other from across the group and you both knew exactly what you had to say? Is this telepathy or is there a psychological reasoning behind this too? Let's find out. Hello. Hello and welcome to another video of Psychophilics. In this video, we are going to talk about how verbal expressions, facial expressions and hand gestures such as these are supplemental to your communication. This is known as body language. Some of the closest primate relatives use arms and hand gestures more flexibly across various contexts compared to facial expressions and vocalizations. These gestures seem less closely related to the particular emotion that they are feeling, such as aggression and affection, and hence possess a more adaptable function. Gestures are also evolutionarily younger, as they were shown in apes but not in monkeys, and they are likely under greater cortical control than facial or vocal signals. This observation makes gestures a candidate modality to have acquired symbolic meaning in early hominins. When we see bodily expressions of emotion, we immediately know what the specific action is associated with a particular emotion, leaving little need for interpretation of the signal, unlike that for facial expressions. To identify brain substrates sensitive to the meaningful emotional state of an actor conveyed through bodily movement, repetition suppression, a technique known as fMRI is used. Such physiological expressions are expressed in different parts of the brain, such as the first one, a subcortical pulmonar superior colliculus amygdala striatal circuit mediates the reflexes like perception of emotion from body posture, especially such as fear, and activates reflexive motor responses. A region of the occipital cortex is sensitive to bodily form. The fusiform gyrus of the ventral occipital and temporal lobes has a critical role in processing faces and facial expressions. The posterior superior temporal sulcus is involved in perceiving motion of biological forms in particular. Now let's come to the main basis of this video, the psychological perspective. Only information can be conveyed through words, as opposed to emotions and attitude. We often supplement our speech with other actions such as gestures, eye contact, voice inflection, etc. Some of our gestures and body movements are universal, yet many are cultural or religious. Learning to read general body language can help improve and increase one's self-esteem. Example of this body movements could be eye movements, postures, expressions such as a firm handshake during an interview, an upright posture, and a direct eye contact can denote confidence. At the same time, how the message is conveyed influences emotions too. In an educational setting, non-verbal and verbal communication helps maintain contact and interaction between people in a learning situation. Through research, it was found that slow learners appreciate those teachers who make the learning situation conductive and fruitful through their effective teaching process with the help of face and relevant body language. There have been many criticisms by sociologists and psychologists on whether non-verbal communication is a vital part of face-to-face communication. Specifically, the Mehrabian explored the seventh rule, which states that the actual words uttered in a face-to-face communication accounted for only 7%. The rest of the information is divided between vocal variety and body movements. It is still a debatable issue among behaviorists and psychologists on which is more important, what you say or how you say it. Overall, reading body language means understanding people's emotional conditions and cultural backgrounds. Body language has words, sentences, and punctuations like spoken language. It makes us good observers and more sensitive to people's emotions and feelings. It helps in improving our relationship with others as well. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on further videos by Psychophilics. Make sure to drop in your comments below on what you thought, and don't forget to like the video and switch on the notification button. That's it for today. Thank you.